Say hi to your friend. Okay.
He's also YouTube.
YouTube also? You just comment with my channel and then I will also follow you. So what's your good name?
Altaf Hussain.
Altaf Hussain. And your?
Ahad Hassan.
Ahad Hussain. Ithabed.
Tafazzum.
Tafazim.
Wasim.
Wasim.
Mahad Mushtaq.
Nahad. And this is Don. Oh, Don for Abidjan. Yeah, Don. Okay, Don. Thank you. Nice to meet you guys. Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. All right.
Welcome to my channel.
Tingnan natin dito. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, ayan dito ko ngayon sa Desert Safari at enjoy ang aming Ramadan Desert Safari. And it's holidays, so you can see a lot of friends in here. So come this round, hi to your friends. So again, so come and enjoy. Ayun. So kape muna kami. Ay maya yung dinner namin at 7. Punta kami dito padalo. Kaya masarap ang hangin, buti na lang hindi siya mainit. Enjoy ang holiday, ang Ramadan. Malayo ka ha. Ayan na. Go.
Maganda dito, mamaya may show. Nanonood tayo. Samahan nyo kami. Kami dalawa ni Kuya Don Pulubi Black. At matutunan natin yung kanilang galing sa pagsayaw. At fire dance, may belly dancing. Wala kami kung mayroon talaga. Pero kita natin mamaya guys.
Since first time mo na ganito, anong masasabi mo at nararamdaman mo?
Maganda pala to. Iuwi ko na to, igitip ko na to. Remembrance. Galing Sahara Desert.
Iuwi mo yan.
Sahara Desert, yes.
Kaya naranasan mo ng dito ngayon sa UAE abroad. So, naisip mo pa bang umuwi sa Pinas?
Siguro mga bakasyon lang. Kaya pero maganda dito. Para sa Pilipinas.
So, ibig sabihin, mas maganda pa rin dito.
Maganda yung life dito. Sana all.
My friend is doing sisha. Right. Ayan, at last, simula na ang dinner, kaya napakahaba na ng pila. Right.
Okay, so it's a very long queue. Maybe more than 100 people are still waiting for the queue. Maybe after that the food is over. Okay. When we reach there. What do you think? When we reach there, food is finished. Paris! That's too much, see? If you are there, all food finished.
Napakahaba ang linya. Ano to? Yung appetizer muna. Okay. Alright, man. Okay, so this is our food, chuta food. Okay. What's the name of the food? Tumara na? Pakula. Pakula. Ayun, ito na ang pinakahihintay ng lahat. Magsisimula na yung dalawang belly dancers.
Wow.
Ito yung pinakamahirap na parte, yung pag-uwi, dahil medyo matagal lang to, mahaba-habang linya, dahil kada 6-7 tao ang ikakarga ng pick-up na dalhin doon sa may highway na naghihintay doon ang bus.